You already know your girl was in store and online for this $6 holla. Brulee! Brulee! Yes, Brulee is at a great price. Plus, they have coupons that you could use through the app and online, ladies. It is now the time. If you're interested, get your nose on these and pick up some. In stores, I'm not seeing the Coconut Passion Brulee or the Amber Romance Brulee to smell, but it is online to order if you're interested. We have the Shimmer Mist as well in all the original scents. Cashmere Fleur, I talked about this in my last video. This is a beautiful rose, vanilla, sugary scent. If you are a Delina girl, if you like, the Kayali scents, you're gonna really like this one. I know Bath & Body Works has their sale, but I have to say Victoria's Secret, in my opinion, is outdoing them right now with the scents that are in store, with the deals that are going on. Look at Pink Friday, okay? You get the 10 panties for $40. I know they have bras on sale. They have the sweatshirts, tanks, and tops, so many different things. With your purchase, you can get a free blanket, that little mini dog, all these deals and steals. The coupons, you can use more than one at a time. Really are great deals going on right now. Make sure that you have your notifications on. You take a look at the community tab because we talk about the sales there. Also have the Perfumes 1.7 fluid ounce on the pink side for $25. I think that's a great deal along with the travel size as well. Back in store on the pink side now. What I love about pink is that their scents come in so many different variations. Unlike the Victoria's Secret side, we don't just have our fine fragrance mists and lotions. Look, we have body scrubs, okay? There's body creams, there's body oils, there's even highlighting body oil. There you saw the coconut. Super berry that you see here, I really do like super berry. So yes, your girl had to pick that one up with the sale. Coming around here, we also have vanilla at the bottom. I know that's a popular one. Pink apple as well. To me, apple is like so-so. I don't know why, something about apple with me. I don't know if it's the tartness or what, but yes, even the strawberry, we've talked about strawberry before, but the strawberry highlighting body oil was here. If you look online, I believe you could find more variations of this as well. Pink perfume for $25. This is their apple one. It has jasmine in there, cedarwood. I think it is a decent set. Good for every day, going to the gym, things like that. In this store, this is a really big store. They even have a DJ. So take a listen.
Look at Love Pink. Put a DJ in here.
The whole store was popping. Yes, and in this summer collection, I haven't seen a lot of people talk about this, but the strawberry dip and the vanilla sundae was really popular. Let's go ahead and get into this haul. If it's your first time here, my name is Tanise, aka T Chanel. On this channel, we love to look good, feel good, and smell good. So If you're already feeling the vibes, and you're not subscribed, it's about that time. Come ride with your girl, vibe with your girl, subscribe to your girl. Hit that button below. And if you're already subscribed, a part of the family, I appreciate you so much, sending you so much love. Let's get into this haul. I want to show you my receipt really quick because some things went down in the store. Before going into store, I always go online, I get my list together in the cart, and then that way, whatever they don't have in store, I can order online in store for free with no shipping costs. So there are coupons that are on the website right now. One says 10 off of 50, another says 20 off of 100, a free panty with purchase. With those coupon details, you could take a look at it now. It says the discount will imply in store or online. However, there's no code. So when I went up to the register and I told her, I'm like, look, here's a coupon. The terms and conditions say in store, I want to get 10 off of 50. She ended up calling the manager. The manager said there's nothing they could do because there's no code. So on the app, if you look there, there's a free penny with purchase that has a code. So without the code, they said there's nothing they could do. I said, okay, there's nothing you could do, no problem. I ended up leaving the store. I called customer service. I filed a complaint with customer service and she said, you're correct. if it's on the web page, it should only apply to the web page, or if it says in store, it should have a coupon code listed for the store to enter it into the register. So I understand, the store at that time, they couldn't do anything because they were stuck. They can't do anything without a code, but marketing, okay, advertising. Why are you saying that the coupon is eligible for in store and you don't give a way for us to get it in store? That is not right. That is actually considered misinformation, and you're misleading your customers. So when I filed the complaint with customer service, she ended up sending me a 20% off coupon through my email. I got it right away. So yes, I ran a couple of errands and then I went to a second Victoria's Secret store. So for your $6 body mist, I want to show you here. I paid $4.80 for all the items that I purchased. The second store didn't have as much as the first store that you saw with the DJ and all of that. So the cashmere fleur and body scrub, a couple other things, I had to purchase online in store. Okay, so I got free shipping for what they didn't have in store. They're mailing it to my house, and the rest I have here. So really goes to show, like, you have to pay attention to the details. For you, when you're going through these things, if a coupon says something and the store does not honor it, even if online does not honor it like they're supposed to, call customer service. Please call customer service, because you deserve your discounts, okay? We do not play any games about that around here. Up first, of course, I had to haul Love Spell Brûlée. This is my favorite out of the Brulee line. This is such a beautiful scent. The notes on the back, it says warm peach, honey blossom, and also a note here, an indulgent gourmand take on Love Spell. And I have to say, it is absolutely indulgent. It is inviting. It is comforting. It's like, a little bit of powderiness as well in this scent. I am really shocked and surprised how much I love this, because Love Spell is okay to me, but the Brulee version of Love Spell is absolutely outstanding. When you smell this, okay, you do get the peach, but it doesn't stand out as much as it does in the original scent. The peach is there, but it's like enveloped in honey, enveloped in, touches of vanilla, of creaminess. I don't know if it's vanilla or marshmallow, or maybe a combination of both is in here, but it is just so nice. It has, a great scent. I feel like you can wear it, during the daytime. You could wear it actually to bedtime as well. Like, it's that nice, not overtaking, but sexy, a little bit of sweetness, the comfortness, right? Coziness in this bottle. So we picked up the body mist. We also picked up the fragrance lotion, of course, so we could do our layering and combinations. And then, yes, for me, this scent is backup worthy. So I did get another mist. Yes, I haven't done this in so long, but for this, the way that it smells, it is just so beautiful. So we picked those up. As a part of my online order in store, I did pick up Amber Romance Brulee. I also picked up Cashmere Fleur amongst with some other things. It says I'm not going to get the order until August 12th. I hope that date moves up a little bit once it's actually shipped. But yes, as soon as we get that, we will be having another haul and talking about all of those goods. In store, I was also able to pick up Good Ghoul, the notes sugared strawberries, pink poppies, and candy fairy dust. This is a very good smell. On the back, it says sweet and spirited, light, ethereal, and sugary, the girliest ghost with the most. The strawberries in here are fresh strawberries. You get, that strawberry bite that comes through. You do smell the florals, but it's more about the strawberries and the candy, that sweetness. The candy does smell, a little bit fruity as well. So it's not just strawberries in here. I'm sure they have other fruits, maybe a touch of raspberry, a touch of, orange in here, citrus I'm smelling. It's like a strawberry candy fruit punch smell. So I do like this. I'm happy that I have it in my collection, and I will be wearing it for summer for sure. While they have this on sale for $10, Shine by Pink. I had to pick this up. I talked about this in my last video when we're talking about new scents that have come out. So the notes on this: pink dragon fruit, sugared petals, chantilly cream. I do like how the chantilly cream, you know, comes through with this scent. The dragon fruit is there as well, along with the florals. It is a nice, like, everyday scent that you can wear. Look at what the side says here: lit from within, you know, Victoria's Secret. And pink, love to have the notes, okay, the inspirational notes, which I do like. And this is gonna be a good, like, you know, go-to for me when I don't want to wear something that's gonna blow people out the water. I just want to wear something where I'm smelling good, and, you know, you come close to me, you smell it, but, you know, it doesn't have as much projection and sillage as those heavy hitters. So yes, I am happy that I picked that up. Last but not least, we picked up a free pair of panties. So I got some pink boy shorts, which are so super cute. They have pink all over them. So yes, with the coupons, I'm definitely not going to leave my free panty in store. As you can see, we are Brulee, love spelled out, okay? I've fallen in love with this scent. Leave me a comment below and let me know, did you pick up anything from this $6 body care sale that Victoria's Secret had? I really thought between, you know, pink and Victoria's Secret, they really did offer a lot. I like the body scrubs, the body oils. I like how they're giving us, you know, a little bit more. Like, it's nice at that price point. So yes, if you are not subscribed and you made it this far, you already know what to do. Come ride with your girl, vibe with your girl, subscribe to your girl. Hit that button below. It's free, okay, boo? It don't cost you a thing. As well, if you made it to the end, make sure to leave me a purple heart, okay? I want to see a purple heart, all right? Supporting your girl. It really means so much to me that you made it to the end of this video. Virtual hugs. Yes, and don't you ever forget that you are beautiful. You are one of a kind. There's nobody else in this world like you. And most importantly, you are loved. And if nobody else told you today, don't worry, your girl T got you. I love you, okay? Mwah! Check out some of my other videos. Bye!
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.